Discover the Tilswall Glue Gun, your perfect craft companion. This powerful tool features a 50-watt heating element that heats up in just 3 minutes, providing a steady 165 degrees Celsius temperature for flawless bonding. It comes with a bundle of 75 glue sticks, ensuring you have plenty of supply for all your projects. Designed for safety and ease of use, it includes an anti-drip silicone sleeve, a wide stand, user-friendly on-off switch built for durability. The Tilswall Glue Gun will elevate your crafting experience. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the DEKO Mini Hot Glue Gun, your perfect crafting companion. With its rapid 3 to 5 minute heat up, it gives you instant, consistent glue flow. The drip-free nozzle ensures precision, while the ergonomic design makes extended use comfortable and easy. Perfect for bonding wood, fabric, plastic, and more, this lightweight tool comes with 30 high-quality glue sticks. Whether for school projects, home decor, or IA crafts, the DEKO Hot Glue Gun is your reliable partner. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a reliable and efficient glue gun for your creative projects? The MAXDONE Glue Gun heats up in just 1 to 3 minutes thanks to its 50-watt power and smart temperature control, making your EIR tasks quick and effortless. Its fireproof construction and safety features ensure a worry-free experience, while the ergonomic design and included glue sticks help you handle arts, crafts, repairs, and more with ease. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Tilswall Glue Gun, your perfect crafting companion. This quick heat mini glue gun heats up in seconds, making your projects faster and easier. Its cordless rechargeable design offers total freedom of movement, while the precision anti-drip nozzle ensures clean, detailed work on paper, fabric, and lightweight materials. With auto-off safety protection and 20 durable glue sticks included, it's ideal for beginners, classrooms, and elevate your creativity with Tilswall. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a reliable and safe glue gun for all your crafting projects? Meet the Kejector Glue Gun. Made with fireproof and heat-resistant materials, it can withstand extreme temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius. The quick warm-up technology takes just 1 to 2 minutes, and the anti-drip design keeps your workspace clean and safe. Comes with 30 high-quality clear glue sticks and a durable brass nozzle. Perfect for hobbyists, students, or professionals. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the comment. Looking for the perfect tool for your craft projects? Meet the DEKO Mini Glue Gun. It heats up in just 3 to 5 minutes and automatically maintains a constant temperature, making your work precise and hassle-free. Its drip-free nozzle ensures clean application, and the safety power switch keeps children protected. Compact and ergonomic, it's easy to handle and ideal for gluing plastic, paper, wood, and more. Complete with 30 mini glue sticks, it's your ultimate IA companion. You'll find the link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a versatile and safe hot glue gun? Look no further. This fast-heating glue gun warms up in just 1 to 3 minutes and fits 7mm diameter glue sticks. With its anti-drip nozzle and heat-resistant design, you can craft with confidence and precision. Easy to operate, featuring an anti-overheat fuse and a fold-up holder for steady placement. Perfect for IA projects, arts and crafts. It lets your creativity run wild. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.